I'm going to pull the fire alarm at my school and make everyone go insane. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm going to from the school.
Hey Rosie, why are you home so early?
Hi, I'm WLCOME to GNN News. Our top story today is that the school fire alarm went off without a fire. People are saying this is prank done. A little girl with a blue shirt, blue shorts, red shoes and orange hair. Does any more know that it's tour?
Well, I was at home making more grounded videos out of Rosie, but suddenly I heard loud nannies coming from the school and I saw Rosie running away from the school. Wait a minute. I think it really was Rosie.
That little girl deserves
Rosie,
to get grounded anyway. That's all time
you
have
should
from
be
now
ashamed
tune
of
after a
yourself
short break
for
for
what
more
you
news.
did. I hope you get grounded by your parents.
Did
So
you know
set
the false
fire
pulling
alarm,
fire
not
alarm
us
will
to
get
do
you
that.
in trouble? You are grounded for 123,456,789,677,567,578 years. Go to your room now.